Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new video. So today we're going to be talking about Alienware, which is a company known for making high-end gaming PCs, but they're also known for quite overpricing their gaming PCs. I have been using an Alienware for the last 2.5 to 3 years, the Alienware Alpha R1i3 model. So today we're going to see how this computer fares against modern AAA and indie titles. My Alienware Alpha is equipped with a Core i3-4130G, which is a dual core with hyper-threading. That's great. The processor is clocked at 2.9 GHz with no turbo. The GPU is a modded version of the GTX 860M with 2 GB of GDDR5 VRAM. It is basically a 750 Ti that's very low power, meant to go into a laptop, but they put it in here to keep the small form factor of the Alienware Alpha. It originally came with 4 GB of DDR3L RAM and a 512 GB hard drive that was only 5400 RPM, but I eventually upgraded to 8 GB of DDR3L RAM and a 1 TB hard drive at 7200 RPM, and that is what you'll be seeing benchmarks in, because this computer really did not perform very well in the newest titles with only 4 GB of RAM. So let's get right into the benchmarks. For about $450 to $500, depending on what you upgrade, you are getting a pretty decent gaming experience and a full Windows 8 PC upgradable to Windows 10, and it's only about the size of a Nintendo Wii. I would say for nowadays, this was a great deal back then, but now it will be better to build a PC with used parts, maybe with something like an i5-2400, and then try to find an older, maybe GTX 970 or 960 used on eBay. But this is a great new option for those people who need a very small gaming PC for maybe their living room or their media center in their basement or something. I have personally used this computer for the last couple of years. This video was edited on this PC. I planned on upgrading in the next few months, but this computer has served me very well. It is giving me the performance that I needed, because I upgraded from a really old laptop that had a Celeron and no dedicated GPU, so this was definitely an upgrade for me. But I will probably be retiring this computer and putting it in my media center and just using it to play games, probably indie games with a controller, maybe the occasional AAA title on lower settings. Well, anyway, if you disliked this video, you know what to do, but if you like this video, then leave a like and get subscribed, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified for all my new videos, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.